Carol, the Microscope Lady, as you may know me, and I can't wait to tell you about our advanced microscope kit. It's perfect for kids that are young, 4, 5, 6, all the way up through high school AP classes and even college classes. It's perfect for the children at heart of all ages from 4 to 94. This kit is special because it comes with 2 microscopes. You get to choose if you want the 1.3 megapixel model or the 5 megapixel model. The 5 megapixel model is considered high definition and will make a difference if you're cropping pictures, enlarging pictures, printing pictures, or viewing on large screens. The kit will come with a small stand that will hold your microscope stationary. Here you can raise and lower the microscope and even work hands-free if you want to. The 10-200x tip will pop off, and our microscopes always include the additional focus tips that allow you to focus at 15, 30, and 50 times. The LED XYZ stand can be used with both of our microscopes, the 10-200 or the 500x. It comes with batteries, so you can work remotely, and it comes with the USB cord, so you can plug it into your computer. If you're using the 500x tip microscope, you will need to focus directly on the specimen that you are viewing. If you're using the 10-200x microscope, you'll want to use the various focal tips or simply raise and lower the microscope and focus wherever you want to stop. Also included in your advanced kit is a 10-piece collection and display set. These are perfect when you want to go outside and collect bugs that maybe you want to show your family, maybe collect some pond water, maybe look at samples from different plants that are growing in your yard, or fruits and vegetables. Whatever you might want to look in there, you can collect and bring it inside to see. Included in your kit are 3 of the live slide sets. This live slide set is perfect for viewing pond waters that you've collected from outside. You're able to view the pond waters up close at any magnification and see extraordinary things. To help you understand what you find in water around your house or wherever you're exploring, the book is going to show you in great detail exactly what you're finding and why it's so much fun to explore. Because we know you can't wait to get started with your advanced kit, we include for you some samples so that when you open it, you can get started immediately. We also provide for you a nice, sturdy, soft case that will house everything in the advanced kit, keep it safe, and make it very portable. Can't wait to see what you do with this advanced kit. Send me your drawings, your pictures, your stories, whatever you come up with, so I can share them with other excited scientists just like you. Stay curious, and most importantly, have fun exploring with our advanced kit.